Welcome to the Firangi kitchen. Today's recipe is creamy garlic spaghetti. This recipe is so delicious. You are going to love this. Let's get to the recipe. We are getting started with boiling some water. Add 200 grams of spaghetti pasta. Let it boil for 8 to 9 minutes. Then drain the water and keep it aside. Then heat up the non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let it heat up and then add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Cook it until it turns golden brown. Then add 3 tablespoons of sliced onion. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of oregano or thyme, whichever you may like. Then add half cup of fresh cream. Let it boil. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated cheese. Of course, you can use cheese of your choice. Cook it until cheese melts. Now we have to add veg stock around half cup. Salt as per taste. Crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon. Now transfer the boiled spaghetti into the sauce. Give them a nice toss until the creamy sauce completely covers the spaghetti. Now we go ahead and plate this up. Sprinkle some cheese and black pepper over the top and we are ready to serve. If you liked our video, please don't forget to press the like button. It motivates us to serve you better. Subscribe us for more recipe updates.